Hey guys, welcome. Welcome. I'm going old school today. I don't have my normal fancy camera set up because everybody's home and I just had to run my daughter somewhere, so I didn't get it all put together today like I usually do. Sorry about that. I'm going to give it a second for people to hop on here. So before we start, hey Kathy, before we start, I wanted to remind you about my retreat to go that is available to sign up now through March 8th. You can sign up for that. It's on my website, but I've also linked it to the description in this video. I have all the products that I'm using today listed in the description of the video as well. All you have to do is tap on the screen, it'll bring up the description, and then you can click on any of the things you see there. The retreat to go is $99, and it includes $50 worth of Stampin' Up! Product. It does not include stamp sets. So I did that purposefully so that in case you have the stamp sets already that I'm going to use, you won't have to you won't have two of them. And also, everything I'm making is really interchangeable. So it comes with 8 make and takes, a tote bag. Gosh, there's a list of stuff. I should have printed it. A tote bag. There's an exclusive Facebook group where I'm going to be going live through the weekend doing door prize drawings and stuff like that. The great thing is you don't have to attend live. You can simply be there whenever you want to. There will be a recording, so you don't have to stress about being there during the live events. Hello in Michigan. Oh, fun. I live 2 hours from your sister. Where does your sister live, Kathy? Hi in Nebraska. Indiana checking in. Ohio. Michigan. Do we have any Aussies here today? Sometimes we get an Aussie or two because their time is just like 5 hours behind me. So, well, if they're in Sydney. Danville, California. Yep, that's not too far from us. Okay, so as you join in, please give me a thumbs up, the heart. You can share this video, and I will be entering you to win in a drawing at the end of our live event. We have sun in California today too. It's wonderful. We've had nothing but rain and snow and ickiness. Hello in Colorado. I love that you guys are checking in with where you're at. British Columbia. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a super simple stamping card today. Okay, and we're gonna use the All Adorned stamp set. And the All Adorned stamp set is a free stamp set with purchase. So if you purchase $50 in product, you can get this stamp set for free right now through Celebration. And that's through March 31st or while supplies last. You can also get the Painted Seasons bundle, which is this stamp set and this designer series paper, which is gorgeous. Okay, and this is available as a bundle with a $100 purchase. So if you make a $100 order, you get these free if you choose them. Plus, we still have all the other Celebration items available. So, well, not all of them. Some of them are sold out. But these are the new guys. And there's that gorgeous embossing folder as well, which is lovely. Okay, so we are going to make a card. I've got my card base and it is cut at 4 1/4 by 8 to give me a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 card when I fold it in half. And I like my cards to open from the top most of the time. So that's the direction I'm going to have it. And then I've got a piece of Coastal Cabana cardstock. And I'm going to use Coastal Cabana ink. Open it up. And normally I have this stuff ready, so sorry about that. Didn't have them ready. This is a photopolymer stamp set, which is super nice because you need it to be in order to see where you're stamping these corners. So that on a block, and we're gonna put this one on a block, and we're gonna ink this up and stamp it in a corner. Now, I have discovered if you cut your cardstock at 4x4, your little, I don't know what those things are called, edges, little scrolly doos are gonna meet. The scrolly doos, that seems like a technical term. Okay, and one more. All right, so then look at this cool design it makes. Isn't that cool? Hi, Deborah. Hello in Florida. 83 and sunny in Florida. I need to move to Florida. Where did I get my paper holder? I'm guessing you're talking about this one. I got this on Amazon. They are called 12 by 12 paper folders, I think. Hey, in New York, Washington, cloudy and cold in West Virginia. Noted. All right. So then I've got this awesome punch that is going to be available to purchase March 1st. And it makes this cutout. So I've got this in Whisper White. So I love monochromatic stuff, which just means you're stamping same color, same paper color type thing. You are pretty much the best ever. And I have a particular person in mind that I'm sending this card to. But I can't tell who because it'll spoil the surprise. Okay, and then I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of this punch and add this to the center. And then grab my snail adhesive and put it here. Ta-da! Done. How cute is that? So super simple, really, really quick, but it's really cute. You could add rhinestones to each place where they meet. You could add rhinestones to the edges. You could add anything, really. Okay, so if you place a $50 order, you can choose this set for free. And it's really fun and cute, and it does all kinds of cute stuff. I'm sure I'll be using it more throughout the week and showcasing and showing it off. Okay, so there's that. So let's do a drawing for some giveaways. I need to grab a stool and get the giveaways down. We've been doing a lot of rearranging and cleaning and organizing and stuff like that here at our house because we have also done a little bit of, well, I guess we built a shed, so we've been moving stuff out of the house, and then we're gonna have to go to storage and get that stuff too. So things have been a little crazy. So we'll give away these 2 rolls of ribbon. These are the beautiful ribbon that is in the Celebration catalog, and that's sold out. You can't get it anymore. So let's do a drawing. Yes, the new embossing folder is available now. When you put in a $50 order, you can choose the embossing folder for free. Okay, here we go. And the first winner is Kathy Viverka. Hopefully I'm saying your name right, in Ohio. you win this Grapefruit Grove ribbon. Gotta grab my Post-it. Let me write your name on here. So if you win, you need to message me with your address so that I can put this in the mail to you. All right. Next winner. Next winner is Kathy Sanford. Congrats, Kathy. Oops, I did 2 there. Okay. There we go. There's our winners. All right, like I said, if you want to participate in my retreat to go, the link is in the description of this video. I will be spending the weekend, March 29th and 30th on an exclusive Facebook group doing special lives, door prize drawings, giveaways, stuff like that. You will get a box in the mail that week full of awesome stuff. 8 make and takes, pillow gifts, tote bag. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. So I hope that you play along and sign up. There is an option to do 2 add-on classes for an additional fee. So you could do that as well if you wanted to. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in today, you guys. I hope you have an awesome, blessed day. And I will see my VIP group at 11:15 a.m. in my VIP Facebook group. If you are not part of my VIP Facebook group, but you want to be, you can always do that. Just search Wendy's, I think it's Wendy's Love and Stampin' VIPs or something like that, or Love and Stampin' VIP group on Facebook. It'll come up and I will add you. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.